Alright, now we take a start with multiple choice questions. In listening, whenever we have multiple choice questions, there are 3 options. In reading, when we have multiple choice questions, there are 4 options. You know why? Because we have 1 thumb and 4 fingers. Just joking, huh? So, anyways, question number 28. Whenever there is multiple choice questions, the questions and answers are in order. And you should know that. I mean, these are the basic techniques. That's what I call action plan. You have to make your action plan. That, okay, multiple choice. Yes, I know questions and answers, they are in the order. And how to deal with multiple choice. Now, look here. First of all, you will read the question only. This is the question, these are options. First of all, you will read the question only. You will not read the options, right? And when you read the question, you have to find the answer to the question in the passage. Do you understand? When you read the question, just underline clue words and all that, and you will find the answer to that question in the passage. Now, what is the second stage? Second stage, you will find appropriate synonym or rewording of that answer from the options A, B, C, D. This is how we do multiple choice questions. Let's read the question. 28, please. The writer suggests that Marshall's discovery, what is clue word? Marshall. The writer suggests that Marshall's discovery came at a good time for the US because, look here, this multiple choice is about a reason. Because means reason. So writer suggests that Marshall's discovery came at a good time for the US. Now, why that was a good time for the US? What happened that it was the good time for the US and Marshall's discovery came? You will find the answer to this question in the passage, and then you will come to the options. Now, please come to the passage. I tell you, paragraph A. First paragraph, there you will find Marshall's discovery. Now, you need to read why it was a good time for United States. Don't go to the options now, just a minute. Have you found Marshall's discovery? Okay, now after that, why it is good time? They say the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. The words like that, never try to read them. Okay, G-U-A-D, Guadalupe and blah, blah, blah. Don't read them. Okay, just go on. These words are just there to confuse you. Okay, yeah. The treaty was signed ending the Mexican-American War and transforming California with its mineral deposits into the ownership of the United States. Mineral deposits into the rightful owner of the United States. Now, for this rightful owner of the United States mineral deposits, you will find an option A, B, C or D. And don't tell me unless I ask you. Yes. And there are other options are pakke traps. Say, okay, Mexico is written there and there. And so what's the right answer? D for doctor. Okay, why D for doctor? I tell you, A is wrong. Why? Mexican-American War was ending, so there were men needing work. That was not good time. Men needing work. How can it be good time? B, expertise in water power would be useful. You know, the option that is stupid option, you should cross that first. Because 4 options, success rate is 25%. 3 options, 33%. 2 options, 50-50. So the options that sound ridiculous or that sound silly, you need to cross them, right? C, population of California had already begun to increase rapidly. No. D, region was about to come under the control of the US. And why we see this is the right answer? They said its mineral deposits into the ownership of the United States. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, we do one more question. Question number 29. What was the reaction in 1848? Now, what's the clue word? And what was the reaction? Whenever there is a reaction, it can be exciting reaction, angry and all that. What was the reaction in 1848 to the news of discovery of gold? Look here, look here. It means the reaction of people. When they said the gold was discovered, what was the reaction of people? Now go back and after 28 you will find it. Paragraph B. Look for the reaction of people. When they told the gold was discovered, so what was the reaction of people? They have used the word, though the initial reaction in San Francisco was disbelief. Now what is disbelief? When you refuse to believe anything and all that. Now just go back and see which option mentions that. Don't yell your answer, okay? When I ask you, then tell me the answer. So the answer is C. Well done. Disbelief, and people needed to see physical evidence before they took it seriously. Clear? See that only one word, disbelief, and how they reworded one word into a sentence. People needed to see physical evidence before they took it seriously. All right. Thank you.